Maths, chapter number 2nd, Fun with Numbers, lecture number 5. So our today's topic is, how many are these? In your textbook, some objects are given here. In your textbook, some objects are given here. Just we have to count it and write it down the number. So look at the first one. Here is the 100 rupee 2 not given. 100 rupee and 100 rupee 2 not given. Then 10 rupee, 10 rupee, 10 rupee and 10 rupee. 10 rupee 4 not is given. So just we have to count it. 100 and 100. This is 200. 200 plus 210, 220, 230 and 240. So 240. This is 240. So just write it down, 240. The next one, here are the sticks is given, sticks. So this is 100, 100 and 100. This is 100, 100 and 100. This is 3 times. So 3 times 100, it means 300. Then 10. So 310. And some more sticks is given here. Just we have to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. More 9 stick is given. So this is 300 plus 10 plus 9. So this is 319. 319. Now the next one, here is the block is given. 2 block of 100, yani 100 wale 2 blocks, then 1 block of 10 and 1 more. So count it, 100 and 100, this is 200 blocks, 210, 211 and 212. So total is 212. The next one, this is 100. Here is the beads is given, beads. So this is 100, then 10, 10, 10. Yani 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, it means 30. So 100 plus 30. And some more beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 138 beads total. I write it down here, 138. The next one, this is 100, 100, 100. Here are the again rupees is given, 100, 100 and 100. So this is 300. 300 plus 10 plus 10. So this is 320 more. So this is 320 rupees. After counting the objects, one more topic is, Moon Mama counts his staring friends. Yes, here is a one story of Moon and their friends. It means stars. So let's start the story. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkling in the sky. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. One day, all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come. But my friends were too many, so to remember their numbers, I did something like this. So here is a Moon Mama and their friends. So Moon Mama के घर पे कुछ पार्टी थी. So their friends, it means all the stars. वो सब आ रहे थे Moon Mama के घर पे. So now just for remember कि कितने friends आए. So Moon Mama just counted it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But there are so many stars came there. So how to count it? कैसे count करेंगे? So just Moon Mama को एक idea आया. वो idea क्या है देखो. Just Moon Mama ने क्या किया कि he made a one card. उसने एक card बनाया और card पे लिखा है 1. This is a triangle card and उस पे लिखा है 1. So 1 star it means 1 card. So 1 star for a 1 card. अभी एक स्टार के लिए एक कार्ड बनाया. बट देर आर सो मेनी स्टार्स. तो क्या करें? नाउ उसको एक और भी आइडिया है कि जैसे 10 स्टार्स हो गए तो क्या किया उसने कि जैसे ये 10 स्टार्स हो गए तो उसने क्या किया, यहाँ पे एक कार्ड बना दिया 10 का. बिकॉज ऑफ देर आर सो मेनी स्टार्स. और वो क्या कर रहे थे, मून मामा की जैसे एक एक आ रहे थे वो एक एक कार्ड अपने पॉकेट में डाल रहे थे। बट नाउ आफ्टर सम टाइम उसका पॉकेट भी फुल हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ 1-1 के कितने सारे कार्ड हो गए थे। तो उसने क्या किया कि जो 10 का 1-1 के 10 कार्ड्स थे उसने कन्वर्ट कर दिया एक कार्ड में, जिसको बना दिया 10। जो स्क्वायर कार्ड है उसको बना दिया 10। नाउ आफ्टर सम टाइम अगेन जो उसने 10-10 के कार्ड्स बनाए थे, आफ्टर सम टाइम अगेन उसका पॉकेट फिर से फुल हो गया 10-10 वाले कार्ड से भी। सो उसने क्या किया, अभी उसने किया जो 10-10 वाले 10 कार्ड्स थे उसने कन्वर्ट कर दिया 100 में। तो उसने ओवल शेप बनाया, ओवल शेप में 100 करके उसने वहाँ पे 100 कर दिया और फिर वो 100 पॉकेट में रखते गए। After the story of Moon Mama and their friends, here is a one exercise given. In this exercise, just we consider as जैसे Moon Mama ने किया था, if suppose one triangle is given, one triangle, so we consider as 1. Then if the one square is given, squarer, so we consider as 10. And one oval is given, so we just consider as 100. So this is the first 19. If suppose 19 stars अगर वहाँ पे आए थे 19 stars, so हम कार्ड्स को कैसे अरेंज करते, कार्ड्स को कैसे बनाते। So 19 it means one card of 10 and then 9 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The next one, this is 21. 21. So 21 के लिए 20 and 1. So 20 यानी 10, 10 के 2 cards. 2 cards of 10 and then 1 more. So this is 21. The next one is 95. 95. So 9 cards of 10. 9 cards of 10 यानी 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 and 5 more. So just I draw here 5 more triangle. So 90 and 5, this is 95. The next one 201. So just I draw 100 100 yani 2 cards of oval shape. So this is 200 and then 1 triangle. So this is 201. The next one 260. So first I draw 200. 200 it means 2 oval shape cards. So 100 and 100. Then 60. Look at the tens place. This is 60. So 10 10 के 6 cards. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 260. This is 260. The next one, this is 300. So it's a very simple oval shape 3 cards. 100, 100 and 100. This is 300. Next one 306. So oval shape 3 cards, 1, 2, 3 and 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 306. This is 344. So first I go with the 300. 3 cards of 100. So this is 3 cards of 100. Then 40. 4. 40. 40 it means 10 10 wale 4 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 is in one's place. So 4 more. Yani 4 triangle is there. So this is 344. The next one 350. So 100 wale 3 cards, 1, 2 and 3. Now 350. 50 yani 10 wale 5 cards, 5 cards of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is 350. Now the last one is 400. It's a very simple oval cards 4. So 100 वाले 4 कार्ड दे दिए 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 400. So जैसे चंदा मामा ने काउंट किया सेम हियर हमें एक्सरसाइज में काउंट करना था. So just we consider one triangle it means 1, one square it means 10 and one oval shape it means 100. जैसे चंदा मामा ने किया था वैसे यहाँ पे हमने कंसिडर करके ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट की. Now again here are the sum cards is given. Just we have to count it and write it down the number. Look at the first one. Here is a 10 and 10. 2 cards of 10. So I just write it down here 10 and 10. This is 20. The next one 10, 1, 1, 1. 10 and 1 1 1. So just I count first 10 and 10. This is 20. 20 plus 3, 23 plus 3 more, it's 26. The next one, 100, 100, 100, 3 times. So this is 310. So this is 310. The next one, 100, 10, 10, 10 and 10. So 100 plus 110, 120 and 130. So just I write 130. The next one, 100, 100, 100 and 100. This is 4 times. So this is just 400. The next one, 100, 1, 1, 100, 1, 1, 10, 1, 1 and 100. So just first we count the 100 place, then 10's place, then 1's place. So how many 100 is here? 1, 2 and 3. So this is 300. Now the 10's is only 1. So 310. Now count the 1's place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 300 plus 10 plus 6. So this is 316. 316. The next one, 100, 1, 100, 100, 1, 100, 100, 1 and more 100. So first we count the 100 place, then 10's, then 1's. So 100 and 100, this is 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. 600 then 10's is not given here. So count the 1's, 1, 2, 3. So 603. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 and more 1, 2, 3. So this is 603. The next one here, 1, 100, 10, 100, 1, 100, 10, 100, 10. So just I count first 100 place, 100 and 100, this is 200, 300 and 400. After the 400, the 10's place is 1, 2 and 3. So 430 plus 1. So this is 431. Look at the last one is 100, 100, 100. 100, 100, 100. 100, 100, 100. And one more 100. So how many are these? 10 cards of 100. 10 cards of 100 yani 100 times up. So this is 1000. So this is 1000. 100 wale 10 cards, it means 1000. And now after this exercise, there is a one picture given in a last of this chapter. वहाँ पे क्लास जो पिक्चर दिया है वहाँ पे चंदा मामा है और चंदा मामा ने ऐसे सब स्टार्स को ऐसे खड़े रख के राउंड बनाया है. सो हाउ मेनी स्टार्स आर देयर, वहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी स्टार्स आर देयर. सो वहाँ पे 2 क्लाउड्स है, जो क्लाउड्स का कॉर्नर है, क्लाउड्स के कॉर्नर के ऊपर 10 स्टार्स है. देयर आर 2 क्लाउड्स, वहाँ पे 2 क्लाउड्स है. सो 10 स्टार्स हियर, 10 स्टार्स हियर, सो दिस इज टोटल 20. एंड चंदा मामा के साथ जितने भी स्टार्स है, जिसने राउंड बनाया है हाथ पकड़ के, सो देयर आर 18, वहाँ पे 18 है, 18 एंड 2 क्लाउड्स ऑफ 10 10. सो 18 देन 1 क्लाउड, इट मीन्स 28 एंड 1 मोर क्लाउड, इट मीन्स 38. आई रिपीट, 18 चंदा मामा के साथ नीचे हाथ पकड़ के खड़े, 18 स्टार्स एंड देयर आर 2 क्लाउड्स. एक क्लाउड में 10 स्टार्स है, सेकेंड क्लाउड में भी 10 स्टार्स है. So 18 plus 10 plus 10. So total there are 38 stars. So this is the end of this chapter. I hope you all like this. Thank you all.
आभार.